Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today on the bench I have a very fancy dress watch. It's a Jules Jurgensen from the late 40s in a 14 karat gold case. This watch was given to me by a family member when I was first starting watchmaking, and has always had a special place in my collection. I'm not sure how to properly describe the case lugs, but I've always described them as spider lugs. The acrylic crystal has some scuffs and scratches, but nothing that can't be polished out. Here is the case back. It has 2 service marks from previous watchmakers. I've never left my own mark, but I feel like today's the day to do so. I haven't weighed the case before, so I'll get the weight and catalog it. 10.7 grams of 14 karat gold is right around $530 today. Here's the dial. There is some corrosion around the rim, but it's not visible once it's in the case. I'll have to be extra careful of the 4th wheel pivot here. I'd imagine it's quite easy to snap off accidentally. I've already removed the hour wheel, so next is the retaining plate. This may look broken. I know it fooled me when I first serviced this watch, however many years ago, but it is purposefully missing this section. Next up are the intermediate wheels. These transfer movement from the stem, allowing you to set the time normally. This clutch lever spring is especially thick and prone to flying off into God knows where. If you ask me, a spring this thick is a bit overkill for a movement of this caliber. Next is the clutch lever. Here is the clutch wheel and winding pinion. And to finish off the dial side disassembly, the canon pinion. Now let's flip over to the gear train. I'll start with the ratchet wheel. There's a little surface rust, easy enough to take care of. Let's check the barrel arbor hole now. Oof, there is a lot of play, so we'll close that up. Much better now, so let's continue the disassembly. Here's the base caliber number. It's an ETA 1220. This is something that the customer would never see or know about, but really shows that this was a luxury watch. Both the escape wheel and pallet fork are gold-plated. It adds nothing to the performance of the watch, but it is a very nice touch. Here's a better look at the pallet fork. Even without the gold plating, it has an elegant bevel on all of the edges. It really shows the attention to detail on a watch like this. The barrel lid and mainspring look fine, so that's the watch fully disassembled. I'll be back once it's reassembled and ready to go. And here's the movement, clean and running well. Here's the case with the polished crystal. And that's the watch complete. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.